Hi everyone, today is Wednesday and we are going to be writing an opinion paragraph about what is the best place to visit. Now all of us are going to have different opinions of what the best place to visit is, and this is why we're writing about this topic. So the first thing I want you to realize is we have our sentence stems and we're going to keep those throughout the week. But eventually the goal is for you to memorize those and be able to use them without the help of the sentence stems so that they're in your head and you're able to think of it before you're writing. So the first thing we're going to do is brainstorm. So I'm going to list some places I like to visit. I like to go to the movies. I like to go to eat, so maybe a restaurant. I like to go to Disneyland. I like to go to, maybe you like to go to the park. Okay, so I have a few examples, and now I'm going to think of if I had to choose, where would I want to go? Like, which place would be the best place for me to visit? Well, I can go to eat anytime, so maybe not that one. So I have movies, Disneyland, and the park. Well, I think Disneyland's pretty fun. And Disneyland, you'll notice, is a proper noun. It has a capital. So I'm going to start with my opening. In my opinion, I think that Disneyland is the best place to visit. See how I just copied right up here? Except for what? I just typed everything in except the what at the top. So here's my opening. In my opinion, I think that Disneyland is the best place to visit. Okay, here's my next sentence. I feel this way because blank. So let me think about Disneyland. I think the rides are really fun. So I'll say, I feel this way because the rides are really fun to go. Are really fun. Okay, now what if I did this? I also think this because the rides are really fun. Now friends, if you do that, you only wrote one reason because you can't have the same reason twice. So I would have written, in my opinion, I think that Disneyland is the best place to visit. I feel this way because the rides are really fun. I also think this because the rides are really fun. See, that doesn't really make sense. So please make sure that you don't put the same reason twice because that doesn't count. That would only count as one reason. So I'm going to go back to the beginning. In my opinion, I think that Disneyland is the best place to visit. I feel this way because the rides are really fun. I also think this because I'm going to write, I get to go there with my family and spend time with them. So maybe when I went to Disneyland as a child, I went with my family and it was a special trip because we didn't get to go very often. But when we did get to go, it was really fun to be with everyone. Okay, so then I have my closing. I have my opening and two reasons, and now I'm going to do my closing. That is why I think blank. So we're just going to copy exactly what we put up here, right there. That is why I think that Disneyland is the best place to visit. Maybe I don't need to say that. Maybe you could just say, that is why I think Disneyland. Yeah, get rid of the that. Sorry, guys. Okay, so here we go. In my opinion, I think Disneyland is the best place to visit. I feel this way because the rides are really fun. I also think this because I get to go there with my family and spend time with them. That is why I think Disneyland is the best place to visit. Okay, I hope that made sense. I'll talk to you all later. See you tomorrow. Bye.